right, let's jump right into this explainer. Today, we're unlocking one of the absolute simplest, yet completely game-changing time savers in Microsoft Excel, mastering the fill handle and autofill techniques. You know the feeling, staring down a massive spreadsheet, just dreading all that manual data entry. Well, we are going to optimize that workflow right now.
So, want to save time in Excel? I mean, who doesn't, right? If you've ever felt the absolute pain of typing the exact same data repeatedly, row after agonizing row, this is the exact solution you need to literally get hours of your life back.
We're talking about totally ditching the old way, that tedious, error-prone manual typing, and moving to the new way, completing your work in just seconds. By the end of this, you'll be knocking out hours of busy work in, well, basically the blink of an eye. The secret weapon here, it's the fill handle. It's that tiny, unassuming little square sitting right at the bottom right corner of your selected cell. You've probably seen it a million times, but today we're going to intentionally harness its full potential. Because honestly, it's not just a one-trick pony. It gives you 3 powerful actions. You can copy data instantly, create entire series from scratch, and copy complex formulas automatically down your columns. Let's see this magic in practice.
Okay, example 1, copying data instantly. Let's start with the basics.
Imagine you're building a database, and you need to input the word Nepal over and over again. Instead of typing it 50 times, just do step 1, type it once in cell A1, step 2, select the cell, and step 3, just grab that fill handle and drag it down. Boom, the result is instant. Nepal, 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 as far down as you drag your mouse. No typos, no repetitive wrist strain, just perfectly populated data in a flash. Moving on to example 2, creating number series. This is where it gets really fun. This is where the fill handle proves it actually has a brain, all thanks to autofill. Say you need numbers from 1 to 100. Don't type them. Step 1, type 1 in A1. Step 2, type 2 in A2. By doing this, you're teaching Excel the pattern. Then, step 3, select both cells and drag down. Autofill totally takes over, giving you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 1,000 if you want, without a single extra keystroke. It just understands the math and does the heavy lifting for you. And it's not just for basic math. You can create series for numbers, sure, but also dates, months, or even complex alphanumeric sequences like employee IDs. Try typing Monday and dragging it down. Man, if only we could drag ourselves straight to Friday that easily, right? All right, example 3, automating your formulas. Time for the real heavy lifting. Let's say we have a setup like this. Column A starts with 100, column B has 200, and column C is our formula space. Now imagine these columns go down for like 500 rows, and we need to add them together row by row. Doing that manually? Yeah, absolutely not an option. This is where this tool becomes a total lifesaver. You just write the formula exactly one time in that top row, just type equals A1 plus B1, hit enter, and boom, you get your initial result. Now grab the fill handle on that completed formula and drag it down. Excel changes formulas automatically for each row. A1 plus B1 magically becomes A2 plus B2, giving you perfectly accurate totals all the way down your sheet. It's brilliant. Okay, summary and next steps. Let's quickly lock in these core concepts so they stick. Here are today's takeaways. You've officially leveled up your workflow by mastering the fill handle and autofill. You now know how to copy data instantly, create logical series, and automatically copy complex formulas. That's a huge win. So what's next? Next up, cell references in Excel. We're going to take this mathematical logic even further in our next explainer. You'll learn how to actually lock certain cells in place while dragging formulas, which is an absolute game changer. Since you've just completely eliminated hours of repetitive manual typing from your day, I want to leave you with one final thought to ponder. Now that you can fill data in seconds, what will you do with all the time you save? Thanks for checking out this explainer.
Thanks for listening, dropping by, getting high on my vibe.